Hi, and welcome to My Animation. My name is Aoife, and today we're going to be talking about artificial intelligence robots and how these robots are used within our field of speech and language therapy. So, to begin, what exactly does artificial intelligence refer to? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is when computer systems are developed to perform tasks that usually involve human intelligence, but without the need for human interaction or assistance. Some everyday examples of how AI can be used include facial detection and recognition on our phones, the use of digital assistants like Alexa and Siri, and AI is also often used for a variety of reasons within healthcare settings. So, how are AI robots being used specifically in our profession of speech and language therapy? Research has been conducted into the use of AI robots as assistants for SLTs and therapy sessions, and also to encourage and promote interaction and communication in children with autism. So, what does the research tell us about the relevance of using AI robots in speech and language therapy and why? Research puts forward that in therapy sessions, children enjoy engaging and interacting with the robots because they're simple and predictable in their behavior, there's no hidden agenda with them, and they can seem less threatening for kids in therapy sessions when compared to human interaction. Let's have a closer look at some of the studies that have been conducted with the use of AI robots in the field of SLT. In this study, the robot iRobiQ was used as a peer language partner in sessions with pre-programmed content that the children could interact with. The SLTs believed that the robot provided an incentive for the children to engage and help to maintain attention. However, they believed that therapy provided by humans is far more effective and that a robot is not able to fulfill the role of a human therapist. SLTs involved in this more recent study generally had positive responses to using their AI robots, EBA, in their sessions. EBA was believed to have helped improve vocalizations and constructing and structuring sentences, resulting in an overall improvement in the children's confidence. The therapist believed that the use of AI robots like EBA could be a very strong step towards promoting inclusion in a mainstream classroom in the future. Some of the advantages associated with using AI robots in SLT sessions that have been highlighted include the possibility of the robot being able to share some of the SLT's workload. The fun element of involving the robot often helps to increase a client's motivation and engagement, and also the absence of judgment from the robot can encourage children to engage in therapy. Before we get carried away, there are also limitations to consider. Technical difficulties could interrupt therapy sessions and waste time. Robots wouldn't be able to provide therapy to the high standard that trained human SLTs would be, and a lot more high quality research is needed in this area. So before we finish up, should we as SLTs be worried about robots taking over our jobs? And the answer is no, not yet anyway. However, there are some things we should consider for the future. We may be reluctant, but using AI robots in therapy sessions could have great potential for us in the future. Imagine if they could help take and manage our data during sessions, if they could engage with clients whilst we were moving between activities, or if they could be used to further develop AAC devices for individuals. It also needs to be considered how AI robots can be used within therapy for an older population. This could be something that our profession really embraces in the future, but only time will tell. Here I've added some links to various articles that will provide further information on the topic. Thanks so much for engaging with my presentation, and I hope that you found it informative.
Created using Powtoon.